like a Hellcat.
Welcome to Cumbia's Customs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to correctly use the handbrake, also how it works and how to take it off. First, put the car in neutral. Then press on the brake and with the hand press the button or pull the lever to activate the handbrake. A lot of cars have different types of handbrakes. By using the handbrake, it activates the drum brakes that are inside of the rotors. By using the handbrake, you take a lot of the pressure off the regular brakes and they'll last a lot longer. Don't forget to move your tires to the side, depending on if you're going uphill or downhill, to also help with this. To take it off, you'll have to turn on the car, press the brake, go to neutral, then press the button to take it off, then go back to drive or park wherever you want to go. Hope this video was of great help. If it was, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That helps me make more videos for you guys. Thank you.